We regularly hold internal inspection of confined space, such as preheater cyclones, TDS, slurry tanks, skin inlet. We also regularly conduct structural inspection of walkways, silos, and bins. Normally, the regular inspections are performed by our own internal team at the plant. Ultimately, our plan is for each Holcim cement plant in US to have their own drone. At this time, we have 3, but we are in the process to purchase 6 more. Flyability drones technology is critical for us because it's able to operate in extreme conditions, such as high dust atmosphere, and provides us good imaging resolution. This allows us to perform our necessary inspection in difficult-to-access places without exposing our personnel to a risk. All types of access: roof, cyclones, preheater, silo, tanks, everything. The most important cost saving is the cost of saving life, avoiding to work in difficult access areas. Also in US, the health and safety of our employees, contractors, and people who visit our site is our primary focus. When you can find an alternative way to complete a task that at the same time decrease the risks of our employees, we are going to take that path. The biggest cost benefit will be from the elimination of need for scaffolding for inspection of these areas, avoiding any work at high or confined space entry that will be incurring for a typical internal inspection. In the worst case, health and safety relevant issues avoided might be reflected in a fewer fatalities or LTIs. With the drones, we can detect potential failures or problems earlier than our more periodical indoor inspections, giving us the chance to make changes before the situation is critical. It also offers us the opportunity to plan our repairs in advance. With the high-quality camera of the drone, the video offers such as a high resolution that we can conduct more thorough evaluation, assessment from the safety of our office. Not to mention that we have more time to study the state of the surrounding system or other areas of interest. Lack of scaffolding can also mean shorter downtime and more time for crucial maintenance tasks during our outage. We use drones to increase our frequency in inspection and confined space and improve our maintenance planning, which protects our employees from high-exposure jobs. Rapid drone inspection reduces costly maintenance and takes us proactive rather than reactive. With drones and other digital technologies, we are creating the plants of the future, and we are building the next era of operational efficiency. Drones help us to reduce downtime required for inspection by avoiding preparation time and confined space entry procedures. Drones also improve predictive maintenance by monitoring conditions in real time before problems occur.